Hey fam, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you guys a simple recipe. And today I'm going to be putting you guys together a beef taco pizza. And here's the shells right here. You can find these at the Dollar Tree for $1, okay? They need the thin, what is it called? Ultra thin pizza crust. And they're super good. I use them all the time. All right, so here's what you're gonna need. Of course, you're gonna need some ground beef right here. This is ground chuck, actually. This is like 1.5 pounds of that. Well, yeah, say 1.5 pounds. All right, you're gonna need some Fritos for your toppings. You're gonna need some green onions. Okay. Now, you don't have to use the cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. You can cut you up, dice it up some, okay? But if you want to use what I'm doing, you go ahead and get you some cherry or grape tomatoes. This here, right here, some cilantro right here. I have on deck. I got some black olives. All this stuff is optional, guys. I have a lemon. I have some refried beans. Now I got this and this at the Dollar Tree for $1, okay? Remember that. Right here we have some taco seasoning, old El Paso, right here. This is the original one. If you want some mild one, they have a mild one as well. All right, let's go over here to the cheese. This Colby and Monterey Jack cheese right here. This is going to be on the top end too. Then we got some shredded lettuce. Okay, this is enough to make about 2. That's what I'm going to be making. And I have some mozzarella cheese right here. And let me go here to the sauce. This right here is taco sauce. Right here in this container. This right here is sour cream by Daisy. And right here is my red wine vinegar. And I use this to boost up my tomatoes. It just make it taste a whole lot better. I'm trying to tell you. Guys, if you never tried it, try it, please. Okay? Alright guys, now I'm going to leave a link like right up in here somewhere for you, show you how to make the ground beef for this right here. Alright? Everybody should know how to make taco meat, but if you don't, I'll leave a link over here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff going, and I'll see you guys in a minute. powder, half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon, lemon pepper, quarter teaspoon, mix that up, guys. Microwave for about a minute. Just to add flavor to this. Now, if you want a little bit more salt in yours, go right ahead. But I'm good. And what I will do, a little of this butter. Just to tone it down a little bit. Give that taste. Good. Super good. Okay. Microwave this for about a minute. And then let it cool down for about a minute. And then we'll be ready to put some stuff together. Let me show you the meat. Here's your meat. I drained most of the grease out. You want this to cool down, guys, before you get to building your tacos, your beef tacos, pizza, that is. All right, we're gonna put that in here. I don't want to put it with my vegetables. I put my tomatoes in there. I'll put this in another dish and I'll show you guys what I'll be doing later. This is my cilantro. I washed it off and all I'm doing is patting dry it a little bit. I'm gonna let that continue to dry out a little bit. Get some of that moisture off there. These are toppings. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I am back. First thing we want to do is take some of this. We'll take this refried beans first. Put that on there. See how much that do. Try to get it close to the edge, close as possible. And this is optional as well. You don't have to have refried beans if you don't want it. Okay, guys? You can use whatever you want to use, pretty much. Or just don't use it at all. I'm making beef taco pizza. All right, we got some meat right here. Just gonna go ahead and put some of that on there. I like to use my hands. Could have threw the gloves on. I'll do it when I do the cheese. Be generous, but not too generous, cause you know, because it's thin crust, guys, thin crust. So we get around the edges, like so. Make sure it's spread out nice and even. All right, now I'm about to get a glove. I am back. Go ahead and get this glove on. Should have dropped my hand all the way, but I didn't. Oh well, huh? All right, we're gonna come with this mozzarella. We're gonna use about a cup and a half. You don't want a lot on yours. Don't put a cup and a half. Just put like a cup or whatever. Spread this out on there. That's about a cup. Okay. I'm gonna come with this Kobe and Monterey Jack. Put a little bit, not a lot, unless you want a lot on yours. Okay. That's all we doing, guys. And I didn't tell you, but I'm going to use some of this Parmesan and Romano cheese right here. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit on there. Just get a little bit more flavor to it. Okay. That's it. We're gonna bake this, guys, just like this at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Okay? And then I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay, fam. Here you go right here. This is straight out the oven. Now what you want to do here, you want to come in here with this little hot sauce, what they call taco sauce, and you just want to put you a little of that on there. A little of that goes a long way. Alright? Then you want to come in here with your lettuce. Like this. Next time I shred my own lettuce because they have big pieces in here and I don't like that. And mine be fine. But it's okay. Either way it goes. Alright. That should be enough of that. We're going to come in here with a little cilantro. Throw you a little bit in there. If you guys never had cilantro on your tacos and stuff like that, you need to really try it. It is super delicious. Make everything taste a whole lot fresher. Okay? So check that out. Alright. Come in here with our veggies. Our tomatoes. Throw a few of them in there, here and there. You know everybody got a taste piece, right? So be mindful. By me adding that red wine vinegar in there, it gives it an awesome taste too, guys. No lie, no joke. Let's see. I always struggle with the last piece right there. Okay, cool. That right there. I'm gonna throw a few black olives on this one. I already put some onions on the bottom of it. So I didn't show you guys that, but that's what I did. That look, guys. Throw a little few of these onions on there. Just a little bit, because we already cooked some on there. All right. Then, come in here with our Fritos. So I should have like crushed these up. Just a little bit. All right. Throw this up. You want me right now? Give that crunch taste to it. One bag should be more than enough. This is a medium-sized pizza. Alright, press that one up. Alright, then you want to come in here with a little of this cheese right here. Now you could have put this on there first, but you don't really need to. Just like this. Alright, that's enough of that. Now, what I like to do is come in with a little bit more hot sauce, okay guys? So this is what I'm gonna do. Drizzle a little bit on there, like this. And by the way, the hot sauce I'm using is Ortega. Alright. Then I'll come in and top it off with the sour cream. That's it. I mean, I could have made it look a little bit more prettier, but that's cool. That's good enough for me. Well, all it does is cool down that hot sauce, guys. Okay, there you go, guys, right there. I can't pick it up and show it to you, but hold on. Slide in the way, like so. Now, if you want a little jalapenos and all that stuff, you can do that too. This is what you're looking like, guys. It's your beef taco pizza. Easily done in VELDOGG's Kitchen. So, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and show you the other pizza. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back with the beef taco pizzas. And here they is. Hope you like them. You already seen that one. This is the last one I made right here. Alright. So this one actually don't have any onions on it because certain people don't eat onion. So this one do. So that's why this one look like it got more. So so I won't take away from this. So guys, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And please guys, watch them videos. Please watch them videos. It's not too late. So you guys make sure you watch them videos and answer them questions. And I'd like to thank you guys for participating in it. If you're participating. If you're not, I understand. But this is the way I can give back to my peoples. Okay? So if I have anything, I would like to share it with you guys. Okay? Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get up out of here. This is the beef taco pizza. Alright, and I'll see you guys next time. VELDOGG'S Kitchen, and I'm out.